3.
Come in. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Take a seat, please. Thank you. Your curriculum, please? Here it is. Thank you. So, what's your name? My name is Benny Cartwright. Benny, Mr. Benny, nice to meet you. Now tell me about yourself. I'm 20 years old. I live with my family. And my hobby is drawing. Also, I have a pet. It's a poodle, and it's called Sausage. And I also have 2 turtles, and one of them is a ballerina. And have you seen a ballerina turtle? Have you? Look. Okay. So, Mr. Ben, so you are here to work as a teacher, aren't you? Yes. So this is your first job interview? Yes, you could say. I have worked before, but this is my first job interview. I see. So, tell me about your experiences. I have worked as a babysitter, also in McDonald's, and well, yeah, it was interesting. Okay, so why do you think you are good for this job? Because I'm very cool, and I have social skills, and I need money. Okay, well, tell me more. What can I say? I can speak 4 languages. 4 languages? Yes. Give me examples, please. Gracias. Obrigado. Arigato. Danke. But that's only 1 word, sir? Yeah. Very good. Okay, other skills? Can you see this? No. Can you see this? Here it is. Can you stop, please? Why so serious? Because this... wait. I know how to dance. Could you stop, please? This is a serious meeting. I'm not going to dance with you, but I need a teacher, not a clown, so please get out. Get out.